2020 Dodge Challenger Hemi, 5.7 liter V8, less than 200 miles on it. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it comes with a factory X pipe, and we put FLOWMASTER super tins on it, one right there and one right there. And then we did a rear resonator delete on both sides, right there and right there, into quad tips, there and there. Came out absolutely beautiful. Hope you guys like it. I love it. It is beautiful. There it is. That's how you put the super tins on it to fit them. Let you guys hear it in a second. This should sound like a beast. Oh yeah. Sound decibels, go ahead. Oh man, 108, 109. This is what we cut off. There's the two mufflers, two resonators. FLOWMASTER Super Tag. Never disappoints. Those tips look really good on them. Dodge Challenger 2020 Beast with a Hemi. Just give me 1 second, I'll be right with you.